ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Shen ka Sorkar kan sa Pyrkhing ki kali ki bikit di Jingkieng ki babiang banya lingba na ka Jingkieng Umïam on ladap pura ka jing maramat ya ka Jingkieng. Ya kini representative chairman company jing director jing Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Sanjay Goyal hak jing keren bikla pathai kubor ka phoitre ujlew arajar phosao. Ugoyal loong ba ka jing Pyrkhing ki kali ki bikit di ka Jingkieng ki bikya banya lingba na ka di ka Jingkieng. Kolong ban pentikna ba ka Jingkieng hapung Umïam kan khamne islam hadim ladap ya ka jing maramat. Shushu layat ho anda ka Sorkar keladap istilok bah ber ke Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati on sepenmi ika jingpen bena bat nalo kata on sependat ru dari ko CCTV hasan kani ka Jingkieng.
As I think Honorable Minister has already briefed the media that we are likely to complete it within July, and we are expecting that we should be in a position to complete it by 31st of July. As of now, it is one way at one time. We are taking a maybe a block of 5 minutes each side or 7 minutes each side depending on the traffic at that point of time, and we are one part of the one side we have almost completed, the other side is in the process of getting done. So I'm sure with this, if the weather holds a bit, we should be in a position to do the concreting part, and we should be in a position to complete it within July. From IIT, wherein we need to do some works still, but that is not going to impact any traffic because we'll be doing it from beneath the bridge.
What is exactly?
Those are again small bit of retrofitting works only, just to ensure that we get some more life into the bridge. But that is in an initial stage of getting evaluated by the IIT, and after that we'll maybe take it up by floating and tender kind of. Rehabilitation of the dam and retrofitting of the bridge and everything will be completed at the same time, which I have mentioned. By July end, I think we should be in a position to clear everything. The design has been made up to a certain level, and that time period has passed maybe now almost maybe 60 years odd kind of thing, or 55 years of the dam. So these things do require some rehabilitation that we are doing, but that will not mean that we open this for the traffic carrying say 20 metric ton, 30 metric ton. That is not the dam has been designed for. So as I have mentioned that let the experts decide on the limit, and we will try to ensure that limit is adhered to for all kinds of traffic movement.
Who are these experts who will decide?
IIT. IIT is our main consultant in this entire project, and plus especially the bridge part, because that is where the main problem is, that bridge has a certain level and the load capacity. Dam of course is there, and we are now trying to rehabilitate in terms of the other structures, like whether the porosity, whether the leakage and all those kinds of things. But it has an impact. In fact, the change from bitumen to the concreting was based on the input from IIT only, that we should go for a concreting part. That's how the time has slightly increased. Otherwise, our time period was to complete the project within maybe 30th of June or maximum say first week of July. So this concreting, changing the scope and the design of the action is based on the report from the IIT, and we have said that let us take some more time and at least do it whatever the experts are saying. This rehabilitation work has been done, and let me make it very clear, is to sustain at the level at which it is, so that no more damage happens to the structure from now onwards. But that will not mean that we open this dam for unlimited load restrictions. So load restrictions definitely will be there, We are in consultation with the IIT and we will be coming out with the load restriction notifications after the rehabilitation work is over, and we will try to ensure that these restrictions are adhered to. The department has set up the CCTV cameras also, so that those high heavy vehicles and heavy load vehicles do not pass through this dam. This is a public infrastructure, and the purpose of this infrastructure is to provide connectivity, and let us not do anything which entails any further damage or put it at risk. So this through you, I'd like to say that it doesn't mean that now this dam is now open for any kind and any type of traffic. Retrofitting would be the right word or not, I'm not very sure, but IIT is Guwahati and the team are doing it. And this is slightly a different kind of work, which is a specialized work. And we should be in a position to come up with the details in the days to come. But I have mentioned that it is nothing to do with the current work, and it is not going to impact the traffic movement at all, because we will be doing it from beneath the bridge, and we will be doing it without entering any traffic movement.